Good afternoon, boys and girls. It's a WRCC walk around with me, Dan. This time, a very special little traveller. It's a 1964 Morris Minor Traveller. It's had a very sympathetic restoration on it, so it's got a really nice smoke grey paint job on it. It's had new wings fitted, new wood set, and the quality of the paint job, I don't know whether you can get it from the video, but it's absolutely excellent. So it's not a cheap blowover, it's a very nice, very tidy job indeed. As you can see, the wood's all in as new condition. No bubbling on the doors, no nastiness, no marks or anything. So I don't know how to put it. The paint is superb, lovely shine, nice deep wet look, which we like to see, don't we, boys and girls, or WRCC fans. The interior, they've tried to keep as much of the original as possible, but they have replaced some of it as well. So there's new carpets and headlining, because obviously you've got to do the headlining when you do the wood set. But with regards the cards and seats, as you will see in a minute, it's all original, but then just aged to perfection. I'm not going to use the P word because I don't like it, as you know if you watch the videos regularly. But as you can see, the gutters are all nice. You see the spot wells there. Door reveals really nice and clean. I mean, you have a look at the doors as well there. You know, it's not had a cheap blowover. It's not had a cheap restoration. It's had a very good quality job done, and it wasn't by us, but it's to a high standard. The dash is nice and clean, showing 83,291 miles. As you can see, headlining's all in perfect order. Back seats hardly got any wear on it, and the carpets, and like I say, all the cards. And it's, as again, if you know me from the videos, or you've been into West Riding and you've seen me, the duotone, or the blue and cream duotone interior is my favourite of the lot from all the miners. Another special bit about the car is it's only had 2 previous keepers, so it's had 3 keepers in total. All of those were on the same street, so it was bought when it was brand new in 1964 by its first owner, then sold to a neighbour, and then after that sold to a neighbour again. So that's a really nice touch and a really nice piece of history. Comes with the original handbook. As you can see, it says first registered in June 1964. Obviously we've started servicing at West Riding, so if you've ever, I've never shown you one of these on a video, but if you buy a car from West Riding, this is our PDI service sheet. So obviously everything's ticked to say that it's been checked or replaced, bits and pieces. This has had a new thermostat in it. Obviously there'll be probably some more bits to do as we go along, and then you get a signed copy of this service sheet, so you know what's been done on your car, and if it's not right, then it should have been, and then whoever's done it will get told off by me. Right, okay, so back to having a look around. The glove box liners are original but really nice and clean. As I say, the dash and everything's all obviously been painted. Door reveals are all nice and clean, which is a bit of a bugbear of mine. So we'll get us started. It's pull button start. Runs, ticks over nicely. Don't want to go back in. Got to pull the pull. Again, see if you can appreciate the shine on the paint there. It's excellent. So there you go. The engine bay is absolutely superb, really nice and clean. It's had an alternator fitted. If you look at the inner wings, type plates, both sides, the bulkhead, absolutely superb, nice clean condition there, in keeping with the rest of the car, sympathetically done. Go and have a look in the boot. Again, superb clean order. See the headlining there, the headlining's in really nice clean condition. Everything nice and clean. Obviously no scratches or anything on the inside of the doors, which sometimes happens when you're carrying stuff about in them. So, to recap, it is a 1964, 2 previous keepers, superb condition. I've been looking for travellers for a few weeks now, and I can guarantee you there's nothing this good on the market at the moment. So it's worth every penny. It's on at 18,250. If you can get yourself up to us at Halifax to have a look, I can guarantee you will not be disappointed. You can call us on 01422881221 about it, speak to me, Dan. Email inquiries at westridingclassics.co.uk or visit www.westridingclassics.co.uk for further details. Thank you.